Hello everyone, my name is Ben Moon. How are you guys doing today? I want to quickly show you how to create a customized WhatsApp link and a customized WhatsApp text. Now, why should you create a customized WhatsApp link and a customized WhatsApp text? For some of you who run businesses, you agree with me, sometimes when you advertise your flyer online and people are interested in your product or service, they chat with you, and then most times if you want to give them more information about your service, you ask them to chat you up on WhatsApp, and then that will mean that you have to give them your WhatsApp number and they will have to save the number in their phone before they're able to chat with you. But with WhatsApp link, they don't need to save your number. By just clicking on the link, it takes them straight to your WhatsApp and they can start chatting with you. Another reason why you need to create a customized WhatsApp link and a customized text is because sometimes even when these customers chat you up on WhatsApp, most times they may not specify why they are chatting with you. They'll just send you hi or hello, and then you would have to now start figuring out why they are chatting with you. So with the customized text now, you'll be able to know what area of service that they are interested in, because the customized text will appear on your WhatsApp when the link is triggered by the customer. So that's why you need to create a WhatsApp customized link and a customized text for that link. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's dive in. The way most people know how to do it is to type wa.me/your phone number, right? Like now I'm putting my phone number here. Now this is the way most people know how to do it, but this is how best to do it. If you want to create a customized text, you would have to use this link. So you go to your browser and type create.wa.link. Let me copy it out for you so that you can see, look at it, and then type that on your browser. Okay, so now this is it. It opens. You can see, you can create a WhatsApp link, you can create a branded link. Now this site offers free service. They also have a premium service, but at least with the free service you can create a WhatsApp link, a customized text also. So now I have this training that I'm working on. So I want to create a WhatsApp link for my WhatsApp number so that whoever clicks on this link will take the person straight to my DM. So I'm going to put my WhatsApp number here. Okay. After typing the number, you will see custom message. This is the message you would want to see if someone is interested in your service. So I'm going to type, hi, I am interested in your free training class. Okay. So as you can see, this is how it will appear. So I will be seeing this on my WhatsApp. So when you're done with this, you click on generate WhatsApp link. All right. So now you have your WhatsApp link, and you are even given a QR code here. So if you have a website or even your design, you can put this on your design. So someone gets to scan and it takes the person directly to your WhatsApp. But in this case, let's copy the code. So I copy the code and then I take it to my design. So this is Canva. I've been working on some designs here, and by the way, I am going to show you how to use Canva professionally. I'll leave a link to the video in the description box, so follow my YouTube channel and you would learn quite a lot. So this is my flyer right here, so I'm going to put the WhatsApp link here. All right, so that's that. Now with this flyer, I can now share it on social media. All right, so let's preview how this link is going to look like. So let's go back and then click on the link. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. Whoever is interested in my training, once the person clicks on that link, is going to take the person to this window. And once the person clicks on this button, this text message is going to appear on my WhatsApp. So I would know that, okay, this person is interested in my training, and then I can follow up from there. So it is as simple as that. All right. So that's how to create a WhatsApp link with a customized text. So give it a try, and see you in the next video.
Maybach music. Can anybody out there